Good morning, guys. Saturday the 6th of November. An update on my no SIM messages I was getting on my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. And the update is disappointment. Last Sunday, around about midday, I took the SIM card out and put some tape on the back of it to make it a little bit thicker to increase the pressure on the contacts, and that seemed to work. It's actually been no problems at all week. So that's last Sunday to this morning at about, well, just past midnight. I was just about to play one of my games on the phone and the message came up, no SIM card. So disappointing, as I say. That's 5 days, no trouble at all, and then on the beginning of the 6th day it failed. I just did the normal reboot and that's cured it, and it's been alright ever since. So that's about 10 hours it's been okay now. I just thought I would do the update for those people who wanted to know whether it fixed it, and the message is it seemed to fix it for a week or 5 days, and then last night it had a hiccup. I'll probably do another update sometime in the future to see how it goes on from here, but I suspect it's a mixture of problems. It may be that the contacts were dirty or not enough pressure on them, and that's helped, but we may still have some other problem, maybe a software problem. Yeah, we'll see. I'll do another update when it happens again. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.